Luxembourg, Cayman Islands, Bermuda, many other financial centres. It is important for Panama to do the same and to understand that it is still pretty far from what these other jurisdictions have done.
It's two separate things. The commitment to automatic exchange of information, and another thing, the commitment to the common reporting standard.
Well, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Your commitment to what is regarded as very important,
yes,
these common reporting standards.
Okay. We have almost 30 agreements with different countries for exchange of information.
Yeah,
the
but that's
UK,
bilateral. That's
yes,
bilateral. But the OECD says, this should not be bilateral.
The OECD is saying we want it done through the common reporting standards. And Panama, yes, we are saying no, we do not think that it's in Panama's best interest. We want to negotiate
but
it
Madam
bilaterally.
Vice President, you just told me you are completely and utterly committed to transparency.
We are.
So I see a contradiction here.
No, there is no contradiction at all. It's one thing, the objective, and that we fully agree, and it's another thing, the method on how to get to the objective.
We are see, when you start laying down conditions, as I believe you've done with the OECD, you said, we will do it eventually if you do this, this, and this. The Tax Justice Network has looked at your conditions and said, in effect, your conditions are putting up, and I don't want to be rude, but are putting up a middle finger to the OECD, that you've got no real intention of changing the secrecy of your financial sector.